Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I can. My name is Anawati. I am 38 years old. I am married. I have one children. My children 9 years old. I have experience in Singapore for 2 years and in Hong Kong for 2 years. My major in Hong Kong was clothing, cooking, cleaning the house, wash the car, and take care of children.
What the reason the baby crying?
The baby feel hungry, thirsty, urine or sick.
What the reason of baby pepet has red point?
Because the change the diapers.
If the children get sick, what should you do?
I will tell the employer I will to the doctor.
If you willing to take the reception?
Yes, I will because that's my job.
When sir and madam have complained but your instasi cooking, what should you do?
I say so sorry and I will try next time.
Please give some check for your employer.
Sir and madam, I hope you will trust me to be your maid. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. See you in Hong Kong. Bye-bye.